Welcome to 5MID STP at Jonathan Reddy Colony, Nellore. This is the receiving sump, and these two are the sluice gate 1 and 2. This is the cross screen 14mm mechanical. This is used to separate the dust particles and plastic waste from the sewage. Here we can see the plastic waste and dust particles are fallen in the dustbin. This is the control panel of 14mm screen. This is in on condition now. This one is main pumping station. These three are the three submersible pumps. These three are the control panels of three pumps. Here the submersible pump is in on condition. Here the indication is going on. These two are the sluice gate 1, 3 and 4. We take the water from the receiving sump to the sluice gate 3 and 4 by using the submersible pumps. These two gates are used to control the water flow. This one is the 6mm fine mechanical screen. It is also in working condition. This is used to separate the fine dust particles from the sewage. This is the control panel of 6mm fine screen. These are the fine dust particles which are separated from the sewage by the 6mm fine screen. These are travelled through the conveyor into the dust and fallen into the dustbin. This one is the disc chamber. This is the motor of the disc chamber. This is in on condition now. This is used to separate the suspended solid particles from the sewage and then sent, and then these water travels through the pen. This one is the penstock. This one is the motor oil switch gate. Now this is in on condition, and the water from the penstock is fallen into the equalization tank. Here it controls the water flow, and the water is moved to the SBR from the equalization tank. SBR is the sequential batch reactor. This is the return activated sludge pump control panel. Now it is also in on condition. This is the control room, from where the all control operations are takes place. This one is SCADA screen 1. This one is SCADA screen 2. We can able to see here, in time to the fill and aeration was completed. Now it came from the settle, and then it will go for decantation. The total cycle is for 3 hours. First 1.5 hours is fill and aeration, next half an hour is settle, and next 1 hour is decantation. This one is SCADA room, and these are PLC control panels. This is the emergency evacuation plan of STP 5MID.